dear students, let us begin with the third part of the lesson, in which you will learn about the notation matrix and the different built-in functions of statistical measures. Descriptive statistics. Excel provides several functions to compute descriptive statistics, which includes average, which is used for calculate the arithmetic mean of values. The function median, which is used to find the middle of the value in the data set. The function mode, it identifies the most frequently occurring values in the data set. Standard deviation .b and standard deviation of S, which calculates the standard deviation of a population, and another one is standard deviation of the sample. var.p and var.s, which computes the variance of the population, and another one is variance of the sample. Here we may see some of the important statistical inbuilt functions like average, count, median, mode, etc. Percentiles. Excel offers function to calculate percentiles, it allowing users to determine specific points in a distribution. Percentile.inc, which provides the inclusive percentile. Percentile.exe, which provides the exclusive percentiles. Correlation and covariance. Excel provides the functions to calculate correlation and covariance between variables. CORREL, which is used for compute the correlation coefficient between two variables. The another inbuilt functions covariance.p and covariance.s, which is used to calculate the covariance between two data sets and considering either a population or it is a sample. Hypothesis testing. Excel includes various functions for performing hypothesis tests. T.test, which conducts a t-test to assess the significance of the difference between two sample means. Z.test, these functions performs a z-test to test the significance of a sample mean against a hypothesized population mean. Chi.test, which conducts a chi-square test to evaluate the independence of two categorical variables. Regression analysis. Excel offers functions for linear regression analysis. LINEST is the function which is used to calculate the regression coefficients and other related statistics. Forecast. It is used to predict the future values based on the historical data using linear regression. The probability distributions in Excel provides functions to compute various probability distributions such as normal distribution, binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution. Norm.dst, it is the function which computes the probability density function for normal distributions, and binom.dist, which is the function computes the cumulative binomial distribution or individual probability of a binomial distribution. Poisson.dist, which is the function which computes the cumulative Poisson distribution. So finally, we will see the data analysis toolpack in spreadsheet. The Excel data analysis toolpack is an add-on that extends its statistical capabilities. It offers additional functions for advanced statistical analysis, including ANOVA, regression, exponential smoothing, and more. Here, the example, you may have the scores of 14 participants for a test. It will be entered in the Excel sheet. The scores entered in the column A, which has 14 observations. The first row indicates the variable name, which is called as scores. In the first step on the data tab in the analysis group, click data analysis. If you click the data analysis button, then you select a descriptive statistics and click OK. Then this box will be appear. From here, select the range as the input range. Then select C1 as the output range here. Then click OK. Then you will get the beautiful results of descriptive statistics, which contain mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum, maximum, sum, and count. It is the total number of observation which is entered in the column A. Dear students, let us summarize what we have learned in this lesson. In part 1, we have discussed about the description of Excel spreadsheet and its features for data analysis. In the second part, we have discussed the data formatting and its importance. In third part, we have discussed about the different built-in functions, especially for statistical calculations. Dear students, I hope you understood all the concepts. We have completed our lesson on formatting of Excel data platform. Thank you.